I don't know what it was, but both of our flights, the landings were really rough.
Maybe that's how United trained its pilots.
Oh, just...
Like, literally, everybody had to put their hand out in front of the seat in front of them because everybody's like, ugh, and you're just like, ugh.
Yeah. Yeah,
Really?
it wasn't just a hard landing. Then they just like
Pump
brakes
the brake
all the way on. That's the needle.
There's a lot of people in up top right now for us to like hop the fence and go for a hike.
So we're waiting for a good time.
We shouldn't because there's more people coming up the stairs.
I think we're just gonna have to go. We decided to do the quote secret trail. It requires us to go
Hop the fence.
hop the fence.
Well,
Here we go.
YOLO.
Alright. We're consulting with our friend who did this trail.
There is a trail up here though.
I'm tempted to just do this.
Yeah, go down the stairs and to the right. There's more. Do you want to just check this out?
I just want to check. Yeah, I want to do that.
It's just to the left of that cone.
Does that go all the way to the top?
Oh, go down to the water. So he's talking about the Yao Valley River Trail.
Yeah. So they did the river trail, but we want to go up.
Yeah, so this is the secret trail. I think we're on the secret trail.
Okay. It's windy up here.
It feels good.
Feels really good. We passed by a family that was actually doing the same thing. We're way off trail right now. Well, not off trail, we're out of bounds, as it were. We're on this ridge here, basically sheer drop down here. We're gonna go up this trail onward. So this is definitely the most bushwhacking, I guess, that I've ever done, even though we're not really bushwhacking that much. We met another guy that said that we should continue up here because it goes up to the top ridge. We're sweaty.
We're very sweaty.
It's very warm. Probably low 80s, about 60% humidity. It's slightly uncomfortable. Muddy trails. We're almost there though.
Whatever there is.
There is apparently the top of one of the little mountains so that we can get like a 360 panoramic view of the whole valley. Now we gotta make it Instagram official.
I hate you. It's gorgeous up here.
Booty. We're squeezing each other's butts right now.
You can't tell where my hand is. It's nice up here. Quiet.
Hung out for a little bit.
We've seen it.
We've seen it.
We've seen it.
And now we go back down. I need to stop looking at them.
Yeah.
So it's different because this camera, the screen is over here, and on the old camera the screen was up here, so I could kind of fake it. I could like look at the screen, like at the top of the lens.
Well, now you can just be Casey Neistat and like wear glasses so nobody knows where you're looking.
Oh, by the way, thanks commenter for saying we.
Our videos remind you of Casey Neistat's. Thanks for the
He's
compliment.
He's a huge inspiration.
We're trying to get there. Anyway, we're here at the top. It's absolutely beautiful. Nobody else is up here. We're guessing nobody else is on the trail at all.
We only saw
One.
a few people. Well, we saw one guy on this trail. The family we saw earlier was on a different trail. Hopefully it won't take us like an hour and a half to get down like it did to get up.
More mud.
More mud.
Gonna be a little harder to get down because it's a straight shot down.
Yeah, this last little bit was really steep, so we'll see. My arm's getting tired, so let's go.
Okay.
Sun just came out.
Saw some people down here. Might as well use Mother Nature instead of baby wipes. Wash the mud off our legs.
And now we're just chilling, waiting for our feet to dry so we can put our shoes back on and go get some lunch.
Yes, find some food. Awesome hike.
If you're in Maui, what was it called? The
Yao Valley Secret Trail.
That's spelled I-A-O, by the way.
You go all the way up to the lookout for the needle, and there's a sign to the left of it that says closed.
Do not enter or something.
That's the entrance
and
of the
there's a trail. So just completely ignore that sign.
It's an unmaintained trail. Bring hiking boots because it's really, really muddy.
Yeah, towards the top it gets really muddy.
But the 360 pano view of the valley is gorgeous. First day in Maui. It's so brown. Don't you love it? Look at that.
It's not fair.
Look at that.
It's not fair. Alright.
I should probably stop wetting my feet.
Yeah, why?
Because it feels good. Water feels good. This is awesome. I love this. Happy. He's happy when he gets back into the water. I'm happy when I get back into the snow. But our compromise is we're happy when we get back into the woods.
Or the jungle.
Or the jungle.
Trees.
Nature. So it looks like everybody got the memo and the kitchen is cracking. We decided to just take our food to go, which will be ready in 10 minutes versus waiting for a table in 45 and then getting another order, so it will be an hour. So we're gonna take it to go, sit down on this fucking bench right here and eat it. Hack.
That's the hangry talk.
Yeah,
Like
that's
how-
Susan talking. I have an alter ego when I'm hangry and her name is Susan. She's alive and present.
Anyway, Susan decided that we should probably figure out how to bypass the line. So we don't need to sit down inside.
No, as long as I get my moco.
Yeah.
We aye. Time out.
What happened?
Carry this bag though. So we got 2 plates and a fried spam musubi, right? Carry this bag.
What the? This is like 10 pounds of
It's
food.
like 10 pounds of food. It's hella heavy.
Oh my god. What?
I picked it up and I
You're
was like,
trying.
fuck.
You're trying to kill us. All right, here we go.
This is an infant. It's like 6 pounds right here. No, this is yours. That's mine. That's the katsu. I'm so excited right now. It's not a vacation until I have a flower in my hair.
It's true.
Tada.
Tada. This is kind of a hard cut from the kitchen to us walking down to the beach. So we went from the kitchen after we ate maybe like a third of that food. We went to buy a few things and then came back to our Airbnb, and now we are walking down to the
Across
beach.
the street to the beach.